second graders. So children, today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 5, and the topic is money. So we all are aware of money now. Yes children, we can say that without money we are not able to survive. Why? Because for buying anything we need money. For food we need money. For clothes we also need money. And for houses we also need money. So these are their basic needs. Okay, food, clothes and house. So we all need for buying all these things we need money. So we can say that now money plays a very important role in our life. So today we are going to learn some more facts about the money. Okay, so children, as you know that in India we use Indian currency notes as well as coins. Okay, so there are different type of coins that we used. Okay, for example, we have 50 rupees coins, 1 rupees coin, 2 rupees coin, 5 as well as 10 rupees coin. Okay, now we also use some currency notes. For example, here we have 5 rupees note, 10 rupees note, 20 rupees note, 50 rupees note, 100 and 500, as well as we also have 200 notes and 2000 notes. Okay, so this is the some facts about the Indian currency, that is coins and notes. Okay, so children, in this chapter we are going to learn more about the rupees, paisa, how we can convert it. So everyone open the page number 143 in your Fusion 2 Sem 2 textbook, and everyone be ready with your pencil and eraser. So let's start with the chapter. Okay children. Okay, so children, now you are able to see how the coins are looks like. Okay, this is 50 paise coins, 1 rupee coin, 2 rupees coin, 5 rupees coin, and this is 10 rupees coin. Okay, now come to the currency notes. This is a 5 rupees note, 10 rupees note, 20 rupees note and 50 rupees note. We also have some more type of currency notes. For example, next, this is 100 rupees note, 200 rupees note, 500 rupees notes, and this is 2000 rupees note. So children, now these are these currencies of India. Now how we have to learn how we write the paise and rupees. Okay, how we are able to write the paise and rupees. Okay, so children, if we have 5 rupees and 50 paise, so how we can write it? Okay, if we have 5 rupees and 50 paise, so we have to write this like this only. Okay, here this is the symbol of rupees, this is the symbol of rupees. Okay, this denote that it is rupees, this is the symbol of rupees. Now 5.50. So children, remember one thing. Okay, remember one thing, this dot, what is the meaning of this dot? So this dot is used to separate rupees and paisa. Okay, so why we used the dot? This dot is used to separate rupees and paisa. Now what is the meaning of this? This we called is the symbol. Okay, symbol of money. Okay, now next, here we have two sides. Here we have dot in the right. This is the right side of the dot, and this is the left side of the dot. Okay, so children, remember one thing, right side of the dot, it means this. Okay, this is denoted the paisa. Here we have to write the paisa. Okay, and the left side of the dot, it means this one denoted as the rupees. Okay, rupees. Okay children, so you have to remember how we can write the rupees. So we can write it as a 5.50 Okay, here this one is the symbol of the rupees. Dot is denoted for separation of rupees and paisa. On the right side of the dot we write the paisa, and on the left side of the dot we write the rupees. Okay, so now children, everyone open the page number 143 and come to the exercise 5A. Okay, so 5A question number 1 is fill in the boxes with the total values of the following set. Okay, so now A. So here we have 2 rupees and 50 paisa. So how you are able to write it? Firstly put the dot. Okay, because here we have rupees as well as paisa. So children, remember one thing, on the left side we have to write rupees. How many rupees are there? We have 2 rupees now. So draw the symbol of the rupees. Okay, after that write down 2. Now how many paisas are there? 50 paisa. So you have to write down 50. So it will be rupees 2.50. Okay, now second one, how many rupees we have? See the coin, 10 rupees, 10 rupees of coin and 1 rupee coin. So here we have how many rupees? 10 plus 1 is equals to 10 plus 1 is equals to, so draw the symbol. There is no need to put the dots. Okay, or we can say that here we don't have any paise, so we can write it as 11. So our second question is write the total value of each of the following. Okay, we have to write the total value. So children, in the first one A, how many notes are there? 10 plus 10. So what will be the total value? Draw the symbol of rupees. Rupees 10 plus rupees 10. So what will be the total value? It will be rupees 20. Okay, now next rupees 20. So write down rupees 20 plus, how next note is rupees 5. So 20 plus 5, if you have 20 rupees note and 5 rupees note, then this total will be rupees 25. Correct. Okay, now next one is rupees 20. We have 20 rupees note and rupees 50. So children, in 50, here we have 20 now. So in 20 we can say that this is 10 plus 10. Okay, so 50 plus 10, 60, plus 10, 70. So it will be rupees 70. Yes. Now next, here we have 500 notes and 100. Just imagine, okay, you have 2 notes. One is of 500 and next one is 100. So what will be the total value? 100 plus rupees 200. So children, what will be the total value? So you know that now, if we add like this, 100 plus 500. So 0 0 0 0 0 0. 5 plus 1, it will be 6. So total value will be rupees 600. Okay, now next E, here we have rupees note of 200. Okay, so write down 200. Again we have 500 note. Now if we have 100, it will be 600. When we add in 600, we have to add one more note of 100. So 5 plus 2, 500 plus 200, add it. 500 plus 200. 0 0 0 0. 5 plus 2, 5 6 7. So it will be rupees 700. Okay, now children, how we can write the rupees into words? Okay, so remember, if we have 5 rupees, for example, first one, okay, write the following in words. Rupees 12.25. okay, so how we can write it? We have to write it 12 rupees and 25 paise. So second one will be 23 rupees and 50 paise. So everyone write it. 23 rupees and how many paise? 50 paise. So you have to write 50 paise. Okay. Now 78 rupees and 75 paise. Yes. So write down it. 78 rupees and how many paise? We have 75 paise. So write down it and 75 paise. Now the last one. Here we have only 80 rupees. So you have to write 80 rupees. For example, here we have some rupees, okay, and how we can change the rupees. So here we have, here are some ways in which, now for example, just imagine you have 5 rupees, okay. So how you can write, how we can find a different type of rupees, okay. For example, you have 5 rupees. So suppose all children of your class have to collect the 5 rupees, okay. So it might be possible, it may be possible that your friend have 5 rupees in how many ways? First ways, that it may be possible that your friend have 5 coins of 1 rupees, okay, 1 rupee coin, 1 rupee coin, 1 rupee coin, 1 rupee coin. So it may be possible they have the 5 coins of 1 rupee, okay. Now it also it may also possible that your some other friend have 50 rupees coins, 50 rupees paise, okay, 50 paise. They have the coins of the 50 paise, okay. For example, if they have the coins of the 50 paise, so how many coins will be there? Just count it. 50 rupees paise, 1 coin, second, third, fourth, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here they have how many coins? 10 coins of 50 paise, okay. Now it may also possible that some children have 3 coins. They have 2 rupees coin, 2 coins of 2 rupees and 1 coin of 1 rupee, okay. So total amount will be 2 plus 2 is equals to 1. It is also possible that some children have 3 coins of 1 rupee and 1 coins of 2 rupees. Then it also will be 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4, then 5, okay. Now what will be the next assumptions? There are some children who also have 2 coins of 50 paise, 1 coin of 1 rupee, again 1 coin of 1 rupee and the next coin is of 2 rupees, okay. So the total value 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4 and 50 plus 50, it means 100. And children remember 100 paisa, okay, 100 paisa will be 1 rupee, okay. So 50 plus 50 is equals to 1. So 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4 plus 1 5, okay. Now everyone come to the exercise 5b. Now write the total value, total amount of the coins in rupees and paisa. One has been done for you. You have to see the image and find out how many rupees are there, okay. So here we have how many coins are there? 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 coins of 50 rupees. So children, I already told you that 2 coins, 50 plus 50, 2 coins of 50 paisa make the 1 rupee, okay. So this one will be the 1 rupee. Now again 2 coins, that is 50 plus 50, 100 paisa, and 100 paisa will be 1 rupee. So 1 rupee plus 1 rupee rupee is equals to 2 rupee and 50 paisa. So we have to put the point and then write the 50. Okay. Now second, see, 1 rupee, 1 rupee, 1 rupee, 4 coins of 1 rupee. So what will be the total value? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will be rupees 4. Okay. Now next, here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 coins of 5 rupees. So 5 rupees, 5 plus 5, 10, plus 5, 15, plus 5, 20, plus 5, 25, plus 5, 30. Or we also learned that how we can find out in multiplications. We already studied that. Here we have how many groups of 5 rupees coins are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 groups. What will be the one value of coins? 5. So 6 into 5 is equals to 30. So it will be rupees 30. Okay. Now next, here we have 3 coins of 10 rupees. So 10 rupees plus 10, 20, plus 10, 30. So it will be 30. Okay. Now the last one, see the coin. Okay. Here we have 2 rupees of coins. How many coins are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 groups. 10 groups of how many coins? 2 rupees coin. So 10 into 10, 2 is equals to 20. So total amount will be 20. Okay. Now question number 2. Write another way of exchanging money by which the total is equals to given value. Okay. One has been done for you. So you have to add how you can write it. See, we can understand. Here we are able to understand just for one example. Okay. Here we have 2 notes of 20. So 10 plus 10 is equals to 20. Okay. Now plus what is the another note? Another note is of 5. So 20 plus 5 is equals to 25. Okay. Now coming to the next question, B. 20 rupees note plus 20 rupees note. So 20 plus 20 will be, you can add it here. Okay. Here we have 20 and 20. So 0, 2, 2 plus 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will be 40. Okay. So here you have to write rupees 40 plus what will be the another note? 5. Rupees 5. We can write this only. Okay, because there is no paisa if there is no only rupees are there, you have to just put the points and write it 0, 0. Okay, so it will be 0.00, 40 rupees and 5 rupees. So 40 plus 5, just add it. 40 rupees plus 5 rupees. So 0 and 5, it will be 5 and 40. So it will be rupees 45. Okay. Now second one. See, here we have 2 notes of 100 now. So you have to 50 plus 50. What will be the amount? It will be 100. So write down rupees 100 plus another note of rupees 100. Okay. So 100 plus 100. So children, what will be the value? It will be rupees 200. Okay. Rupees 200. Now 500. So what will be the, you have to write it like this only, rupees 500. Okay. You can write it here as 500. Now E. Here we have one note of rupees 500. Now 2 notes of rupees 50 and 50. So 50 plus 50 will be rupees 100. Okay. So what will be the 5 plus 1? It will be rupees 600. Okay. So children, you have to complete your exercise 5A and 5B. So everyone, with the help of the videos, complete your work. Okay, we will learn more about money in the next session.